Drones have evolved rapidly over the past few years, transforming from simple gadgets into sophisticated flying machines. What were once simple flying machines are now intelligent partners in the sky, capable of performing complex tasks with precision. This transformation is driven by artificial intelligence, or AI, which has revolutionized the way drones operate. AI empowers drones with advanced capabilities, making them invaluable tools across numerous industries, from construction to emergency response. From agriculture to security, AI-powered drones are changing the game, offering new solutions and efficiencies. The use of AI in drone technology is not just about incremental improvements, it's about creating entirely new possibilities. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about and use drones in our daily lives. We are moving from remote-controlled devices to fully autonomous systems that can operate independently. These intelligent drones can perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and even learn from their experiences, adapting to new challenges. This opens up a world of possibilities, from exploring uncharted territories to enhancing everyday tasks. One of the most significant contributions of AI to drone technology is enhanced perception, revolutionizing how drones interact with their environment. Imagine giving a drone the ability to see, understand, and interpret the world around it, much like a human does, but with greater precision and speed. This is what AI is making possible. AI-powered drones use advanced computer vision algorithms to analyze visual data in real time, providing instant insights. They can identify objects, track movements, and even recognize patterns, making them incredibly versatile tools for various applications. This enhanced perception has far-reaching implications, transforming industries and opening up new possibilities. In security, AI-powered drones can monitor large crowds, detect suspicious activities, and provide valuable situational awareness, enhancing public safety. In search and rescue operations, they can locate missing persons in challenging terrains, significantly improving response times and outcomes. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination, as AI continues to push the boundaries of what drones can achieve. AI is not just about giving drones better eyesight, it's about enhancing their overall capabilities. It is also about giving them a brain that can process information, make decisions, and navigate complex environments. This means drones can now think and act more independently. AI algorithms enable drones to plan optimal flight paths, avoid obstacles, and even adapt to changing weather conditions. They can react in real time to unexpected changes. This autonomous navigation capability is revolutionizing industries like logistics and delivery. Drones are becoming indispensable tools for efficient and timely deliveries. Drones can now deliver packages more efficiently, even in remote or challenging locations. They can reach places that were previously inaccessible. In agriculture, AI-powered drones can survey vast fields, monitor crop health, and even apply fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing waste and environmental impact. This technology is transforming farming practices. The future of AI and drones is incredibly exciting. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable drones. These drones will be able to perform increasingly complex tasks, from inspecting infrastructure to conducting scientific research. Imagine swarms of drones working together autonomously, coordinating their efforts to monitor environmental changes, respond to disasters, or even build structures. The potential is limitless. AI is transforming drones from tools into partners, helping us to solve complex challenges and create a better future. As we delve into the future of AI and drones, it's crucial to acknowledge their growing role in military activities and modern warfare. AI-powered drones are revolutionizing the battlefield, providing advanced capabilities for surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeted strikes. These drones can autonomously gather intelligence, monitor enemy movements, and relay real-time data to military commanders. This enhanced situational awareness allows for more informed decision-making and precise operations. For instance, drones equipped with AI can identify and track targets with remarkable accuracy, minimizing collateral damage and increasing mission efficiency. However, the use of AI-powered drones in warfare raises significant ethical considerations. The potential for autonomous weapons systems to make life and death decisions without human intervention is a topic of intense debate. Questions about accountability, the risk of malfunction, and the implications for international laws of war are at the forefront of this discussion. Despite these challenges, AI-powered drones are shaping modern warfare strategies. They offer unparalleled capabilities for force projection, enabling militaries to conduct operations with reduced risk to personnel. The integration of AI into military drones is not just transforming how wars are fought, but also prompting a re-evaluation of the ethical frameworks and regulations governing armed conflict. As we move forward, it is imperative to balance the technological advancements with a rigorous examination of their ethical implications, ensuring that the deployment of AI-powered drones aligns with our collective values and legal standards. The future of AI and drones extends beyond the battlefield, offering innovative solutions to contemporary challenges. AI-powered drones are revolutionizing delivery services, ensuring faster and more efficient service. Companies are testing drones for delivering packages, food, and medical supplies. AI helps drones navigate urban landscapes, avoid obstacles, and optimize routes, reducing delivery times and costs. In environmental monitoring, drones survey vast areas, track wildlife, and monitor deforestation. This data aids researchers and policymakers in protecting natural resources and combating climate change. In disasters, drones locate survivors, assess damage, and deliver supplies. Equipped with thermal imaging, they support first responders and save lives. The potential of AI in drones is vast, promising efficiency and safety across multiple domains. Embracing these advancements requires addressing ethical and regulatory challenges, aiming for a sustainable world. As we delve into AI-powered drones, it is imperative to address the ethical considerations and regulatory challenges that accompany this technology. The rapid advancement of AI and drone capabilities raises important questions about privacy, security, and accountability. One primary concern is the potential misuse of drones for surveillance, leading to unprecedented intrusion into personal privacy. Striking a balance between leveraging AI for beneficial applications and protecting individual rights is a critical challenge. Robust regulatory frameworks are needed to ensure safety and prevent accidents. Establishing clear guidelines for drone operation and maintenance is essential to mitigate risks and build public trust. Ensuring transparency and accountability in AI decision-making processes is crucial. As drones become more autonomous, their actions must be explainable and traceable. Developing standards for AI transparency will help address concerns related to bias and fairness. International cooperation is crucial in establishing consistent regulations and ethical standards. Collaborative efforts can harmonize policies and promote best practices. Engaging in ongoing dialogue with stakeholders is vital. By addressing these challenges, we can harness the full potential of AI-powered drones while safeguarding our values. The journey towards a future with AI-powered drones is about aligning innovations with ethical standards and regulatory frameworks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Your feedback helps us create better content.